Did you know the Romans stole almost everything from a civilization they tried to erase from history? Before Rome ruled the world, the Etruscans dominated Italy for over 500 years. And here are 5 shocking facts about how much Romans copied from them. First, gladiator fights weren't Roman at all. Etruscans invented these deadly games as funeral rituals, and Romans just stole the idea. Second, those famous Roman arches and sewers, pure Etruscan engineering. Romans learned everything from their teachers, then took all the credit. Third, Roman gods like Jupiter and Minerva were just renamed Etruscan gods. Even their religious ceremonies were copied word for word. Fourth, Roman kings wore purple robes and carried eagle symbols because Etruscan kings did it first. Romans even stole their fashion sense. But here's the most shocking part. Romans systematically destroyed Etruscan books and records so completely that we couldn't read their language until 1961. They wanted to hide how much they borrowed. The entire foundation of Western civilization wasn't built by Rome. It was stolen from the Etruscans.